Hi folks, this is a standard Trade Locks 6-pin Euro cylinder. It has a thumb turn on the back. It's very rusty, to say the least, and doesn't turn very freely. But hopefully the cylinder on the front here is still pickable. So let's have a go. We'll do top of the keyway. And I'm going to use a multi-pick hook from the Elite set. So let's just have a little explore. So we're at the back of the lock. Let's move forward on the pins. Just click on 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Go back again. 2, 3, 4. Click on 4. Another click on 5. Click on 6. 6 feels set. 5 feels set. A little bit more on 4. Pin 3 feels tight. Click on pin 2. Nothing on 1. 2. A little bit of counter rotation on 3. It feels very gritty inside this lock. Nice click on 4. There's 5 again. And 6 is binding the pick. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, set. 3, 4, 5, 6. So we don't seem to be getting very far with this. Let's just go through again. Just going to relax the tension a little bit. Ah, there we go. So pin 2 is holding us up. So didn't feel a massive amount of security pins in there. I think there's possibly going to be 1 or 2 spools, which is typical for a 6-pin budget lock like this. Not a massive challenge, but obviously the lock's open, so objective achieved. I don't have a key for this, so I'm going to leave it like that. I might just take a look and see what's inside. Right, let's take a look inside this lock. Right, let's just spin this core around. Pop a pin and shoe on there. Okay, need to take this clip off. Here it comes. Okay. So let's withdraw the core. Is it going to come out? There we go, here it comes. There we go, good. So we got that out. Let's pop it in there. And let's have a look. See what we've got inside here. Looks like the pin and shoe was misaligned on one of the back pins there. Let's just take that out before we go any further. So that's a standard pin at the back. There's a spring in there as well. There it comes. Okay. So let's get this front loader in place before we lose any more pins. There we go. Let's take the pin and shoe off. Okay, let's find out what's inside. So we'll turn this round. We'll start with pin 1. Here's I say a spool. It's like almost like a double spool. That's quite an interesting looking pin. There's 2 of those in there. It didn't really give us a great deal of hassle when it came to picking the lock. And here we've got spring-loaded mechanism for, it's a thumb turn. So when the key is inserted from the front and takes authority, it pushes that plunger forward, which obviously disconnects the thumb turn element, I would imagine. Little cutout in there so the key can interface with that and turn the cam. Also, if I have a look at the core itself, yeah, there's no protection on the back of the core here. So that means that this can be bypassed using a thumb turn bypass wire. Right, let's just have a quick look at these key pins. Interestingly, let's just zoom in. There's nothing special on the core whatsoever. And let's just take a look down inside, which is not the springs out. And inside the main lock body, the cylinder itself, it all just appears to be just standard drillings. Yep, it's all standard drillings. So let's just pop back here. And see all standard key pins. Interestingly enough, isn't any anti-drill measures in here at all. And then we've got standards on driver pins, apart from pin 2 and pin 4, which look like they're some sort of weird barrel-shaped double spool, but they didn't really offer much in the way of obstruction when it came to picking the lock. So there you go. That's the what's inside this Trade Locks 6-pin standard Euro.